Good morning everyone. I am Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In the video lecture series, I am explaining about the Internet of Things, how it is using and the overview on the architecture and the conceptual framework of it. Now we'll see about the technologies which is beyond the Internet of Things. Where by using various technologies, whatever the equipments we are using will be having both hardware and the software components. So the hardware components which we are using in IoT are the Arduino Raspberry Pi, Intel Galileo, Intel Edison, ARM Embed and Bosch XDK11, then Beagle Born Black and the wireless SoC. Where in Raspberry Pi, nowadays lots of projects are doing by using this Raspberry Pi hardware. Then the integrated development environment, which is used for developing software, firmware and the application interfaces. Then the various protocols which is using are RPL, that is routing protocol, COAP, Constrained Applications Protocol, RESTful, and HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Control Protocol, then MQTT. MQTT is nothing but the Message Queuing Telemetry Transport Protocol, then XMP is nothing but Message Protocol. These protocols are used in order to transfer the data from one place to another. Then the communication, the various communications which is used here are by using power line Ethernet and the radio frequency identification network, then using NFC and 6 low, that is personal area network, UWB, then Zigbee, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WiMAX and the various generation of communications are used. Then the network backbone or internet protocol version 4, version 6, user datagram protocol and the 6 low power LAN protocols. Then the software here which is used are RIoT OS, Contiki operating system, that is real-time operating system and the Contiki operating system. Then ThinkSquare MS firmware, internetwork cloud platforms, or the data center uh, which senses everything by using the various components, that is Azure, TCS, UP. Then here we are using the machine learning algorithms and also the software. An example of a machine learning software is Grok from Numenta, that uses machine intelligence to analyze the streaming of data from clouds and uncover those anomalies where it has the ability to learn continuous data and ability to drive action from the output of those software modules and performs the high level automation for analyzing the data which we are streaming. Then hardware devices are embedded devices, embedded hardware, software, where it uses the sensors or the actuators. These are used as a physical components here. Then hardware is nothing but the Arduino Raspberry Pi, Intel Edison Embed and Beaglebone Black and wireless SoC, etc. Integrated development environment, as I discussed in the first slide, this is mainly used for developing device software, firmware and the APIs. And also it also eclipses the IoT stack, sense, ThinkWork, everything, and where the software here used are RIoT OS and ThinkSquare MS firmware and the Eclipse IOC. This Eclipse IoT stack and which senses data and are well suited for open source IoT development projects. ThinkWorks are designed for commercial IoT applications. This RIoT OS is well suited for using it in the resource constrained devices, whereas this Eclipse IoT stacks are mainly used for range of tools and framework for developing IoT applications for a wide range of communication protocols and the device management platforms. Where the embedded devices which uses message to message communication protocols are constrained application protocols, hypertext transfer protocols, message queuing telemetry transfer protocol, and the communication technologies which is used in the IoT applications. Then the network protocols are Zigbee, routing protocol, internet protocol, version 4 and 6, user datagram protocol, then Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity, then WiMAX. Here Zigbee is used to enable internet-based communication between the Zigbee devices, where internet protocol version 4 and 6 are used to identify devices which routes data across the internet. User datagram protocol is mainly used to send datagrams over the internet protocol networks, where all generation, that is 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G, are all used for cellular network technology. Software platforms. Here Nimbus TCS connected universe platforms, OpenHub, IBM, Cisco IoT are used as the software platform here. Then analyzing the data, streaming data, which is used for data visualization. Analytics and machine learning, it mainly used to uh, uh, the machine learning algorithms, for example Grok from Newman. It is designed to make it easier for developer to build machine learning applications that can learn from and process complex real world data. These are the steps behind the IoTs. First device platform, then microcontroller we are using here, then the software for the device, then for the hardware, then hardware and the software API applications. Thank you.